So I'm Dick Chastain. I am the project manager for this particular construction project with an all-volunteer team, affectionately known as the Old Geezers. I'm also a member of the Habitat Board of Directors.
So Green Mountain Habitat for Humanity is an affiliate of Habitat for Humanity International, and we cover 4 counties in Vermont. And within those 4 counties, we build affordable homes for low to moderate income families. And in our model, families will purchase the homes at cost. So the volunteer labor, the cost of materials is all factored into what makes these houses affordable. We like to say that we offer a hand up and not a handout. Because the families are purchasing a home, this opportunity is really helping them to build equity and really offer a better life for their families. So this specific project is on Temple Street in the new north end of Burlington, and we are building a duplex here on this property. We partner with Vermont Construction, and they donate the roof to each Habitat for Humanity house, and that partnership is so incredibly important because the donation is just taking so much off of the cost of the house so that we're able to make these homes more affordable for families.
So we are really happy to have the assistance of Vermont Construction. This is the second of my projects that they've helped us with. They're doing the roof shingling today, in fact. That is all donated generously by Vermont Construction, both the labor and the materials. A highly competent team who do just a superb job.
We're so thankful to Vermont Construction for donating these roofs because it really does make a difference.